how would you recommend recruiting a more tenured agent who already has kind of his business or her business in place and doesn't necessarily want to change the way they do business, but they bring in a lot of business. So obviously you want that in your brokerage. How would you recommend recruiting that person?
So one, it depends upon how you're going after, and it depends upon your business model and your splits, and what kind of business model you have. So sometimes we can negotiate on splits based on higher tiers. You're going to get a better split. Other times it can be sign-on bonus incentives. So a lot of
Okay.
times what we'll do is we'll calculate how much commission this person's going to generate over the year, and we'll come up with a percentage of that commission that the company dollar will be, and we'll re-gift that back with they have to pay it back if they leave within a certain time frame. So we'll come up with bonus programs like that. I think it's important, whatever system you put in place, that it's transparent to everybody and that it's fair, because as much as you want to think that agents won't talk and you say, hey, sign this confidentiality and don't disclose that, agents are very loose with the lips and love to brag about, I got a better deal from the broker than you did. So it will come back and it can kill your culture. So whatever you do establish, make sure it's fair. And if you're going to give a better split to someone who's at a higher tier of production, then if anybody hits that number, they can get the same thing. So that's important from a culture standpoint. Some of the creative ideas that we've come up with is, as a broker, it depends on, am I a team, am I a brokerage? If I'm a brokerage, sometimes I need team leaders. So I'm going to hire a producer who's a higher producing level to say, look, I'm going to not only going to join my company, I'm going to help you build a team. So I'm going to bring in less producing, newer agents and put them underneath you. And then you're going to get an override for all the production of that agent. And then that team leader can see, oh, wait a second, I have multiple sources of income, and that's attractive to me. Not every mega producer or producing agent wants to be a team leader. They purposely don't want to do it. So we can come up with other sources for that. But those are just a couple of quick ideas to give you.